Today I'm going to make Mughlai biryani. Yes, children favorite Mughlai biryani. This is cauliflower, one small cup of cauliflower, 2 cups of cheese. This is cinnamon, 2 to 3 cinnamon. These are spices, whatever spices you prefer to have, you can have spices. This is country tomatoes. I have 2 country tomatoes, 3 onions, and this is garlic, 2 garlics. Okay, and this is mother's recipe vegetable biryani. You will get in supermarkets. And these are 4 to 5 chilies I have. We usually make Mughlai biryani in 15 to 20 minutes. I make this Mughlai biryani. It is very easy, and children they love to eat Mughlai biryani. And homemade coconut milk, you get it in supermarket. These are this is 1 cup of pudina, that is mint leaves. That's all for this. Everything is done for this. And 3 to 4 teaspoon of oil or ghee. And this is rich. And paneer is 2 cups of paneer and 2 cups of cheese. That's all. Everything you can keep it readily. And I will show you how to prepare for this. And children, they love to eat. And elderly people and who are health conscious, you need not eat once in a while. You can eat this. Everybody you can eat. 1 teaspoon of kitchen king, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. And elders, if once in a while you can have this. And if you don't prefer to add cheese, you need not add cheese. You can add paneer and you can have this. Once in a while, if you have cheese also, you can have, and you can you can burn your calories. You can burn your calories, right? This is 3 teaspoons of oil I'm adding. Like usually, whenever I prepare this Mughlai biryani, every children, they like all my Devadai's friends, they come home, they eat in my house. After the oil gets heated, you can add these spices. And one more thing I want to tell my friends, my Devadai's engagement is being fixed. That is this month end is being fixed. Please, I want all my elderly friends to bless the couple, and all my friends, young youths who all are supporting me. And while starting this this YouTube channel, I wanted to motivate. I wanted to motivate the young youth, but I wanted to thank each one of my subscribers. Really, I am blessed to have each one of you in my life. I am getting motivated by you all. You of late you would have seen me giving the speech, giving the motivating speech, because of late you are motivating me. Of late I am getting the calls from my Devadai's friends, auntie, you are doing very well. I'm really, we all are so much inspired by your YouTube channel, auntie. I'm so much privileged by this. Thank you, each one of you. I'm privileged to get each one of you. Thank you, each one of you. Really, I'm getting motivated by this. I don't know how to thank you all. Please encourage me, keep supporting me. That's all I wanted to tell you all. And these spices are being um, added, and I'm adding cloves. Yes, and I'm adding this onion. Adding onions, I have to add these. Let this onions need not get too brownish. Let this raw smell go. Yeah. While starting this YouTube channel, I was telling you all. My family was supporting me. My sister-in-laws, my family, like my extended families are supporting me. Now I am privileged to tell you all, my friends, you all are supporting me. I'm overwhelmed. I want to thank each and one of you. Please keep supporting me. Please encourage me. By knowing my ailment, by knowing my my Kuti Devadai, she has been supporting me. She has supported me, and you like what to tell. I haven't seen you all personally. You have been so much you are so generous in supporting me. I am really thankful to you. Keep supporting me. Yes. And I am adding these tomatoes. After adding these tomatoes, you can add these chilies. If you want to be spices to be more, you can slip this chilies. My Kuti Devadai and my Devadais, they need spices to be more. I eat less spice. So my Devadais, two Devadais, they need spicy. So I slip this chili and I will add this. Yank, you have to come home. And my prince, he loves sweets a lot. Yes. My Devadai is opposite to him. My prince, he's been dieting for his D-Day. Yeah, he's been dieting. I'm scolding him not to diet. My Devadai and my prince, both are dieting. Now I'm adding this mint leaves. I added onions and tomato. Now I am adding these mint leaves. I love sweets a lot. I eat less spicy. Yes. And one more thing. My Karma Yogi is a very good chef. Very good chef. He cooks very well. And he cooks all his what do you call this traditional dishes. He cooks very well. I added this cauliflower in this. And you can add peas also, peas and potatoes also. My Kuti Devadai is very allergic to peas, so I skip off this. Skip this peas. And after adding this for 2 minutes, you can add garlic. let this cauliflower cook for 5 minutes. Yeah. Now 1 cup of basmati rice I have kept for this cup of basmati rice. I'll wash this thoroughly and I'll keep this. And now after this 5 minutes of let this raw smells let this go away, I told you. Now I'll add this 2 cups of paneer and cheese, I told you. Now I am adding this mother's recipe in this. And this dry powders in this. And salt to this. This raw smell should go. Should another 2 to 3 minutes this raw smell should go. Now I am adding that 1 cup of basmati rice I told you. I washed it thoroughly. I am adding 1 cup of basmati rice. My Karma Yogi, he was initially he was doing a free business here. Yeah, this half cup of water I am adding to this. Mughlai biryani is ready. Siddharna is going to give review. Yes.
ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಮುಗ್ಲೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಮುಗ್ಲೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಇದು ಬಂದು ಮುಗಿಲ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಲ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ರಿ, ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಮುಗಲೈ
ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ.
ಚೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೀಸು ಪನ್ನೀರು ನೋಡಿ. ವೆಜ್ಜದು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀರಾ,
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಮ್ಮ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಲಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ,
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಇವಾಗ ಪಾರ್ವತಮ್ಮ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಸಿದ್ದು ತಿಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ನೋಡೋರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೌಟ್
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಮ್ಮ, ಹೌದಮ್ಮ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಏನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ?
ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ,
ಮುಗಿಲ್ಪೇಟೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ. ಮುಗಿಲ್ಪೇಟೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ,
ಮುಗಲೈ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ?
ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಇದೆ, ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಇದೆ, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಇದೆ,
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಚೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಚೀಸ್,
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ವತಮ್ಮ.